Hi there, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ernest Chooks and I'm excited to share another video with you. In this video, I am going to teach you how to install WordPress on localhost using LocalWp. LocalWp is an alternative for XAMPP live server software. Now you can use LocalWp to host WordPress on your local host, and then you can test out the plugin WordPress theme, or maybe you are new to WordPress, you can use it to play around WordPress and see how it feels to build a website using WordPress. Now if you want to learn how to do this using the XAMPP live server software, I already have a video where I taught how to do that, and I'll leave the link to that around your screen right now and also in the description of this video. Now I really love you to stick till the end of this video, and by the end of this video, if you actually learned something, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question, leave it for me in the comment section below. In my YouTube channel, I post content related to web development, web design, WordPress, PHP script installations, and tips and tricks around web design business. So if those are topics you might be interested in, please consider hitting the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started into this video. Now the very first thing you need to do is to download the installer file for LocalWp. Now to do that, head over to localwp.com and then click on downloads. When you have done that, click on this drop down right here and you can choose the operating system your computer operates. In my case, Windows. So right here now you can just put in your first name, last name, email, phone number, and get it now, and your download will start automatically. So when you are done downloading the installer file, go ahead to install it and then open it up. Now when you open up the software, you see the same interface just as mine. And for you to start a WordPress website on your local host, just go over to this plus sign right here and click on add local sites. Now here, just leave it at this and just click on continue. Now here you're required to input your site's name. I'll just say WP demo and I'll hit continue. Now in the next window you can see we have two choices, the preferred and the custom. Now the preferred has the PHP version of 8.1.9. Now if I want to maybe change the PHP version, I'll just go over to the custom and then I'll hit here select PHP version, and I can now select a particular PHP version that I may need. But for this video, I'm just going to click on the preferred right here and click on continue. Now in the next window, we are asked to set up WordPress. Now here, I'm just going to set up the WordPress username. I will say WP demo as well. And then the WordPress password, I'll put in my password. And then the email, admin email, I'll just put in any email right there. And then I'll just click on add site. Okay, our site is being added, and then the live server will start automatically. This actually takes some minutes, so just hang on and wait. So I will pause this video and come back when the live server is set up. Alright guys, the server has been started and then our WordPress website is now running. As you can see right over here, it's running. It says stop site. That means it is running on the local host right now, and if I click here, I will stop the server. So for us to visit the website, I will just click on open site right here and it will open it up on our default browser. Right here, my default browser is the Google Chrome browser. So when you click on the open site, it will open it using your default browser. Okay, you can see that our WordPress website has been installed successfully, and you can see it appear with the 2023 WordPress theme. Okay, now let me go back there and then you can see WP admin. So if you click right here, the WP admin dashboard will load up. So let me just click that and let's see if the admin dashboard will come up. Okay, now we have to log in. So I will just go ahead and input my login dashboard that I just set up a few minutes ago, and in my case it is WP demo and I input the password and login. Okay guys, so right here we can see that we have successfully installed WordPress in our local host using the LocalWp software. So you can see that this is a real instance of WordPress installation. You can see that right here. You can go to plugins, you can add a new plugin, you can go to appearance and themes, and you can add a new theme from here. So you can do basically every other thing you can do with the WordPress you hosted with a shared hosting, just right here. So guys, I hope you learned how to do this. So if you're bored, if you think you're bored, or maybe you need to learn something new about WordPress, so you can watch this video and you can learn how to do this. And then it is very free of charge. The software right here is free of charge. So if you want to stop the server from running, you can just click on stop site right here and the server will stop running. And whenever you want to continue building the website, you just load up the software, LocalWp software once again, and you can see the list of sites that you have created right here. You just click on the site and click on start site. Let me just stop it right here so you can see stop site, and then it is stopping. So after I stop the website, I'll go over to the browser and I'll try to load it up and see if it's gonna load. So I've just reload this WP dashboard. You can see request error 502. So if I go over to the website tab also and reload that, and you will see that it will not load up, the same thing, request error. Now if I want to start back the website, now I will just open the LocalWp software once more, go over to the website right here and click on start site, and you can see if I go back now and reload here, and you can see the website will load up just in a minute. So guys, you can see that I've successfully installed WordPress on my local host using the LocalWp software. So guys, if you actually learned something from this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and then if you have any question, don't forget to leave it for me in the comment section below. And then please guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video like this. So guys, I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Goodbye for now.